So we're looking at it just a bit, and I don't really feel like I understand why it's happening, and it wasn't complicated. In fact, it's down 6% more from the beginning of the day. Solana. And actually, when you look at it, it's important to explain. It's because of the same meme coin, related to these meme coins. You see, the president of Argentina actually created a meme coin. That's a bit of a joke, essentially, in the eyes of the people. So obviously, these meme coins, they can be quite dangerous. They're on the blockchain, Solana. And what happens, is it absorbs a lot of liquidity, and it causes these kinds of dips with the meme coins and all that. Even the Trump coin and the Millennial coin, which are themselves tokens, very, very popular meme coins, they had about 15 billion in market cap. And then, whoa, they plunged in value by like less than a billion or 2 billion. It lost $10 billion just in a single week. So obviously, this has quite an impact on the blockchain, and you can really see it right here. This is precisely the explanation for everything that's unfolding. So all the traders are positioning themselves heavily short on Solana. And this is exactly what I was explaining in my video this morning. With the boxes, I said to break through here, we needed around 9 hectares, which is precisely what we're seeing happen now. So naturally, we're going to see a descent all the way down to this level. And if you're a trader yourself, you can make a lot of money on this downward movement. Because if we calculate precisely how much potential there is for this descent, it's about a 12 to 15% drop to the next significant level. So this is a major short opportunity. And this news has just broken. It came out just 51 minutes ago. So naturally,